in the holy and historical city of Amritsar. The city is famous for Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh and Wagah border between India and Pakistan. Being youngest of all among the three brothers in the family, my ailing mother always wanted me to have a good education. I competed for the prestigious semi-school entrance exam and I was lucky to be admitted in class 6. The beauty of my selection at semi-school was, it was all government aided, and my father, being a small shopkeeper, didn't have the resource who could send me to a convent school. Friends, the journey, the boarding life at semi-school, it had been very interesting and very charming. Friends, since my childhood, I have been very naughty. Do I look naughty right now? Do I? Well, I can recall the moments at the school at mid of the night, myself along with one or two cliques, equally naughty cliques, would secretly enter into the catering area and would have a plenty of milk and curd kept for the next day. In the morning, it would be a dramatic situation when apprehending that some cat might have sneaked in and spilled the all milk. At Sainik school, it's obligatory for all the students to appear for the NDA exams for entry into the armed forces. This created a lot of passion in me. Simultaneous to my taking higher secondary exam, I appeared for the NDA exam. I qualified in the written. This is followed by the SSB interview. I appeared for the SSB interview, but unfortunately, I was not shortlisted. This gave me a little jolt. I did my graduation, then post-graduation in economics in first class from Punjabi University, Patiala. Even after doing my post-graduation, I again tried to go into Indian forces through the route of territorial army. But the department where I was working did not approve of my departure from the department. So in fact, I lost my chance to join the Indian Army. While after my post-graduation, when I was staying at Patiala, an event occurred which really reminds me all the time, and I would like to share that event with you. A theft happened at my brother's place when the entire family was out of station. We came back and FIR was to be lodged. One fine evening, after some days, I happened to go to a Sikh temple. I saw a person wearing my stolen shirt. I could immediately recognize from the black mark on the collar of the shirt. I immediately asked the person, "Excuse me, can you please let me know the source from where you get this shirt from?" He got it with a very surprise. By his answer, it didn't convince me. I asked the person, "Can you please accompany me to the police station?" He readily agreed, and as he accompanied me for a while, he started running. He was ahead of me and I was after him. It was like a Bollywood scene. A hero running after a villain. So after doing my graduation and post-graduation, then I appeared for this by virtue of this incident, I became talk of the town, and I was honored with a police medal and a certificate of appreciation. After my successful studies, schooling and college, I competed for the probation officer exam, and I was very lucky to be selected in one of the public sector banks, that is United Bank of India, where I am still working as a senior executive. The journey with the bank had been very challenging, very interesting, very enterprising. Bank gave me an opportunity to move far and wide, serve different people at different locations. I am one of the most fortunate guys who got elevated to the next cadre in every first available opportunity. This is a great achievement one can have in a public sector office. I'm lucky to have a working wife who is MSc gold medalist and PhD. She is a professor in chemistry at Guru Nanak Dev University, and thanks for that we have a very good chemistry with each other. I am a proud father having 2 grown-up sons who have been toppers all along, and they are very well placed. My wife being working lady, I had to move around all singly, and in fact I was forced to lead a bachelor's life. that created good cooking habits in me. I believe this will stand in a good stead for building stronger chemistry in my life. With my Fauji spirits and energetic blood, I still feel I am sweet 60 with 44 years of experience as I superannuate from the bank's active service in October 2016 as I attain the age of 60 years. As of now, I do not have any post-retirement plan, but definitely I would like to be associated with Toastmaster Club as a veteran participant and as a guide. Thank you.